Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf, and finally my official Big Into Energy Labubu collection is here from Pop Mart. I pre-ordered it months ago, I think back in July, and they said it wouldn't be shipped till September, and they were right. Even though other people have been getting stuff in the meantime, I thought the pre-order thing was a good idea because it gave people a chance to get them who keep missing them, like me. So I ordered the whole set because I thought I'm tired of messing around with this. I just want the whole set of these Big Into Energy Labubus. So here is the box. It says vinyl plush pendant blind box. Here are all the different ones you can get: loyalty, hope, love, luck, happiness and serenity. And there is also a it says may have secret as well. So there is a secret one which is I think it's called I'd. It isn't called ID, it's called I'd. I think I was reading on Reddit, and it says Pop Mart the monsters. Looking here, there's not very much. Just says products suitable for the collection and decoration of people aged above 15, not for children under 14 years old. Discarding the product at will may affect the environment. Please recycle it properly. Packaging contains important information. Please keep it for further use. Actual product may differ slightly from photos on the package. Please refer to the actual product. Around the back, there's a load more writing, and also places you can follow them: Facebook, Instagram and Rednote. And there's also an official website if you want to check out what Pop Mart does. And there is a warning here. On the bottom, nothing. So let's take the cellophane off. So these arrived this morning, and I thought I'll get the video done as quick as possible so you guys can see. Unfortunately, the box has been slightly damaged in transit. There is a little bit of a dent in the corner, which is kind of sad. It came in a larger brown box and no one had put like any wrapping in with it, so unfortunately it was bouncing around in there. So the feel of the box, it feels kind of, so I unboxed a fake box of these on my channel that I got from Cult Neo. I will be comparing packaging and everything in another video, but the feel of the genuine packaging, it feels kind of velvety, so that's how you can sort of tell the difference. The front of it has got parts of it which are shinier than the rest, like the details of the face here, and Big Into Energy is sort of holographic as well. It's a nice day today, it's actually quite sunny. So I would imagine, because of the design of the box, that this is how they would be presented if they were in a shop, because the box is one of those presentation boxes. So the top is actually perforated, so you can actually take this up and make it 3D to stand behind the characters within in their own boxes. I'll try and open it carefully. I do want to keep the packaging so that I've got somewhere to store them. So we are faced with, which you can't see of course, this. So I'm going to take each one out and unbox it and show you who I have. So first of all, we're starting here. I won't go through all of the boxes each time because obviously there's no point, but all of the boxes look like this. They've got Big Into Energy on them. This is holographic or sort of silvery, which shows the genuine ones. The fake ones often aren't like that. Also, there is sort of shinier bits on, like, to accent the front as well. On the side you can see which ones you get. There is the hologram, of course, which is on all official genuine Pop Mart Big Into Energy, or any of the Pop Mart Labubus. There's an importing thing there, so it's imported into London, which is a warning sticker which they've just plonked on it. So let's open the first one. Here we go. I wonder if these will be in like the new style of bag they've started putting them in, or whether they'll be in the old ones. Oh, I think they're going to be in the new ones actually. So this is exciting. Just open it up like that maybe. It's a strange design really for the box. So Labubus now, instead of coming in the bags that they were coming in, because I think because of all the fakes and everything, they have started putting them in these bags with a little tie at the top, and you've got a little Labubu on the back there. So they are plastic, these bags, so you can use them to store your Labubus in. which is nice because they're kind of reusable, because the others you just kind of ripped into them. And yeah, you couldn't really use them again. So here's our first one. And this one is Hope. I think it's the more blue of the two. Or it might be Serenity, actually. Got little ears. It's very soft. It's a head turn. Yeah, the head turns. And I think the official ones, the arms are wired so you can pose them. The legs? No, just the arms. So just the arms are wired, not the legs. You can definitely see the quality is way better with these than with the fake ones. Although there have been quite a few good quality fakes. The only thing I would say about this is the ear hasn't quite been... Is it sewn in properly there? No, it seems okay. I thought the ear hadn't been sewn in properly. So the nice thing as well about these is they've got sparkly eyes, which is cute. So I'll pop them down here. Oh, we also have as well the collector card. And it's cardboard. It isn't plastic like the Have a Seat ones. And it says Big Into Energy on the back. So that's it's Serenity, so it's the green one. And they also come with these. Don't eat them. I worked in a shoe shop for many years and my boss said the fact it says don't eat them makes you think perhaps at some point someone has tried to eat them. So we move on. Right, I think you open the boxes like this. No, that's not how you open. This is a really convoluted way of getting into these. I don't want to rip the boxes. There we go. So this one's got a different colour tie on the bag. It suggests that it might be Loyalty, perhaps, because it matches Loyalty's colours. If that's the case, I really like that. Actually, I can see it's not Loyalty. It's the blue one, which is Hope. So here is Hope. Hope's got a little bit of a wonky leg going on there. Another thing is the feet and hands, they don't kind of like sort of rotate as much as the fake ones. So there's her little sparkly eyes. It says Pop Mart on here, I noticed as well. I bet that's because of all the fakes. Because I'm pretty sure my Have a Seat ones don't have Pop Mart embossed on the ring. I think the ring of the other one, yeah, I never showed you that. It's green to match the back. Right, next one. Oh, I forgot the card again. I keep forgetting the card. I leave it in the bottom. There's Hope's card. I leave it in the bottom because I don't want to spoil the surprise for myself. So next. We can just throw all these away, or you can actually use them for other stuff around the house. Actually, they're quite useful. We keep them with our salt, and they've worked really well to keep the salt dry, so there's a pro tip for you. And this one I can tell is Loyalty. And Loyalty was the one I was especially looking forward to because I absolutely adore the colours of her. I'm not really a pink person, but I do like this sort of sunset colour scheme. She's got kind of tropical coloured eyes. So that one's Loyalty. I'm getting a little bit faster with the unboxing now because I know there are people out there who are like, get to the point, I want to see all the ones you've got. I want to take too long. There's her card. Next. Ah, it's ripped. Oh dear. I'm also doing this before lunch. I've got to like go and make lunch after all of this. So. Right. Oh. I've actually seen the card for this one because I accidentally looked at it. This one's Love. So spoiler alert, it's Love. But then you can probably see a bit through the bag. There she is. Oh, she's very red, isn't she? Oh, chubby red tummy there. There are people who think that these are quite demonic, and I suppose with their little sharp teeth, they might... I guess there are people who don't quite understand the charm of them, you know. They're not for everyone, which is fair. I mean, not everyone can like everything, can they? But saying that they're like demonic when they're supposed to just be little fun characters is a bit extreme, I think. Right, next one. I'm getting better at opening the boxes. So who do we have here? This one is, oh, it's a little peachy one. It's Happiness. It's Happiness. A little orange. Oh, peach. Oh, keyring. I won't forget to show you her card. There's her card. So, who are we missing then? It's, which one is that? Yeah, I've got those two. I guess it's Luck, the purple one. So it's probably going to be Luck. I will be very lucky if it's eyed. I doubt it will be eyed though. It's probably going to be Luck. Which is fine because I really like purple. It's like my favourite colour. I actually saw the card, so I know who's in this bag. Open the top. You ready? It's Luck. So I didn't get eyed. I'm kind of sad about that. I've been trying to find like a Lafufu version, but all the ones that I've found are not really very good. I've got like 3 of them and they're all kind of rubbish in all honesty, but never mind. I do now finally have the full collection of these, which is good, as it's what I wanted. I really like these ones. The new ones that they've done, which are slightly smaller, I think, and have like the little letters on them, I'm not going to bother with getting those. I'm not as big on those ones. Just because something's popular doesn't mean I have to have them all. She's so soft, by the way, just saying. I think she's softer than all the others. Just touching all the other ones. Yeah, you know what? I think Love's really soft as well. Serenity's quite soft. But yeah, she's really, really soft. Yeah, so like I said, just because something's popular, I'm not going to like just automatically collect it. I still only get the things I want and the things I like. So, but I'm happy that I've got a full collection of these now. It's been a while and I've tried so hard to get them, so I'm glad I do finally. So that's all for now. I'll show you her card actually. Nearly forgot, didn't I? There we go, look. So yeah, that's all for now. If you want to see more blind bags and unboxings and what have you, you can click the box that comes up below. If you enjoy what I do, you can always send me a tip on Ko-fi. It all helps, or even a super thanks here on YouTube. Link is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.